Hey everyone, Zach Sopak here, and we're moving some things around the apartment. So I now have a couch here in the office. I'm gonna be using this setting right now as a blank canvas. I'm gonna show you a few tips and techniques on how you can get any space looking like a professional YouTube studio. So let's get into it. All right, here we are in our new little YouTube studio. I hope that this video has given you some ideas on maybe how you can spice up some things in your space where you're currently filming. If you're interested in any of the items I've used in this video, I'll make sure to link it down below. You can check it out for yourself. And if you got value out of this video, why don't you go ahead and add some value right back to it by hitting that like button. Really helps out. And also consider subscribing to this channel for more regular content just like this. And please hit that notification bell so that way you don't miss out anytime I post a new video. And until the next time, my name is Zach Sopak. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.